Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial on Skin Tite Silicone. So here I'm taking parts A and B of the silicone in separate cups that I have labeled A and B. In B I already have some pigment mixed in to the cup and just making sure those are well mixed together, fully combined. Then I'm taking C, and I already have B mixed in there, adding A, and with silicone you really want to make sure that these parts are all mixed well together and they're equal ratios of parts A and B, and well mix them. This stuff cures very quickly, so you want to make sure that you work quickly. Next I'm adding in just a couple drops of Thivex, which is a thickening agent, and you add in more drops depending on how thick you want the product. It's best not to add a lot. And now here I'm starting to build up the walls of the wound using the silicone with my palette knife. Working as fast as possible so the stuff doesn't start to cure on me. The more that you work with it, it will start to cure, and you're going to be able to tell how the consistency changes throughout working with it. So it's best to get your shape the way that you want it and then go back in and feather out the edges. See here, it's already really thick and pretty much have to scratch that batch now. And next I'm testing to make sure that it's fully cured, taking some translucent powder and taking the shine away. It's best with silicone too to work in small batches at a time. Next I'm going to take my Skin Illustrator palette, going in with Prime Red, Aged Blood, and Blood Tone for the inside, just mixing the colors together. I'm also adding a little bit of black in there just to make it darker. This wound was going to be one that I was doing on set for a film that I was going to work on, Blue Dream. This is what me and the director had decided on together. Now I'm just taking a little bit of blood tone and making sure that it's not as dark as the inside of the wound and going around all over the edge of the wound. Next I'm just taking a little wedge sponge with some alcohol on it, no paint, to feather the color into the skin a little bit to make it look like they're one. Now I'm actually putting a little bit of color on my sponge. I'm taking blood tone and just dabbing it around the perimeter of the wound, being very careful around the eye area. Next I'm going back in with a brush in blood tone to get a deeper color. Next I'm just taking a clean brush dipped in alcohol to feather out the color a little bit more and get it to sink into the skin. Next, I'm adding a little benign scab blood inside a couple of the pockets of the wound. Also adding a little bit of benign stage blood. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoy.